Okay, another tip I wanted to add. The tools you're going to need here. This works real good. I guess it's upside down. That's a 3/4 inch open end box wrench. But if you put a little ratchet down in this hole here, that'll give you something to hold on to for some leverage. This is just a little 1/2 inch ratchet. Also, before I end it here, I'm not sure if this is right, but I just stopped the bolt here, I'm sorry, the nut here, right to the end of the bolt. It's even with the last thread. And I'm not sure why they gave me a lock washer, because it's not going to close. You won't get it tight enough to close, so I'm just stopping there out of fear that something's going to break. If you just leave the nut on there, it's flat, but this way it sits all cockeyed in there. So that's what they gave me. That's how I'm doing it. My judgment says not to do it that way, but I just like things flat and even. But this is what they gave me, so I'm doing it.